What's up? You already know who it is, you know what it is. 2007 Cadillac Escalade. We're going to be changing this radio out. First thing we want to do is come up here, and I stuck my hand back here and I was able to pop up that. I also had to take my panel removal tool and come behind here and pop up that clip and this clip. And that's gonna remove that forward. All right, so next thing you want to do is come over here with your panel removal tool, come inside that ridge, and this right here just comes straight off. It's held in by clips, so don't be scared of it. And then now we should be able to just come up. Ooh, I'm gonna have to use two hands, but this thing right here should just pop right off. Hold on just a second. All right, so I ended up just putting my hands up under here and using some pressure. I'm gonna take my removal tool, come up there, see if I can't pop those clips and give me a little leeway. Come over here and get this one out. Boom. Perfect. So let me take off these harnesses real quick. Now that we got that gone, we have some 7 mils we gotta take out. So all right, so now what we want to do is take our 7 mils out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 7 mils. So we're gonna go ahead and that should give me the whole entire radio, just like that. Now let's take. All right, so look, they got some extra stuff in here, but either way, we're gonna take all that out and go ahead and wire it up so I can see exactly how it looks when it's supposed to be done. So this is the dash kit. I will have the links to the dash kit, the wire harness, all that good stuff that you need to do this install yourself. But that's what it looks like when it's put back together. Put the USB there. We got everything working, the factory backup camera, all that good stuff. And this clears very good, just like how it's supposed to. This is the Pioneer 2330 NEX. So if you guys found any value in this video, I didn't necessarily show you guys the install per se, because I already did a video on how to install a radio. So I just wanted to make sure that you knew how to take this out, and you can refer to the other radio on how to install something else. But if you could take it out, you could put it in. This is JP Audio signing out, baby. Peace.